3 things I wish I knew when I started out doing YouTube ads. Number 1, targeting will not fix an offer. I was always under the opinion that if I can find the right audience, the right demo, the right type of strategy, that I can make anything work. And it doesn't matter if your offer converts at less than 0.5%, just mathematically, it's just not going to work. It doesn't matter what you do. So you have to figure out your metrics, your offer metrics from the beginning. And once you have that, you have to find a creative that can match those metrics, and hopefully, ideally, things will convert. But no amount of targeting will fix a bad offer. Number 2, the creative is the most important lever. I used to just launch my campaigns and I would get all these videos, and yeah, I would test things out, but I'm at the stage now where I really just become very critical even about the creative itself. I'm not just looking at the metrics, the other KPIs. When I say KPIs, I mean the CTR, CPCs, things of that nature. I'm also looking at the conversion rate. I'm also looking at the video itself and really trying to understand the script and what's being sold. Is this person really selling the click or the story behind this video? Before, I really did not pay attention to those things, but now I sit down and I just come up with scripts on my own, just because that is so important in YouTube ads. The 3rd thing I wish I knew when I started YouTube ads is that less is more. I fall for this as well, but there's always this temptation to make changes in a daily basis, multiple changes. And the reality is, more times than not, an ad campaign that you start out today will not give you the same numbers the next day. If it does give you the same numbers, and assuming the numbers are bad, then yeah, you probably should pause the campaign. But otherwise, more times than not, don't really give the importance to the first day numbers. Really see how the campaign evolves the second day. There is power in this YouTube ads algorithm, so you really want to give it time to cook. So less is more, and that even applies to even targeting. When you get too layered and things of that nature, all you're gonna do is get high CPCs, a high CPM, and your stuff is not going to work better. You wanna have some audience targeting, especially in the beginning, just to guide the algo, but eventually an ideal YouTube ads account, you won't even have any type of audience targeting. You just maybe have some demographic targeting, and it will work well because you're creative, your offer, and everything's aligned. So less is more. And those basically 3 things that I wish that I knew when I started out YouTube ads, but now you guys know it and you can run with this information. Now, if you wanna keep learning new tips totally for free, check out our channel, check out all of our content. We try to keep it as updated as possible. If you want a step-by-step process, really from A to Z, how we get YouTube ads working, get on our weekly phone calls. If you think that's something that could work out for you, feel free to click on a link on the video or below the video and try to book a call, and we'll see if the Linx YouTube ads course is for you.